The Girasol A1 is a compact solar collector designed to heat your pool water using the power of the sun. At first, it might seem like a luxury, but it's actually a smart, eco-friendly way to save money. By using natural energy, you could cut down your heating costs by hundreds of dollars each year. What really makes the Girasol A1 stand out is its size and performance. It's 4 times smaller than similar systems, yet powerful enough to heat up to 4,000 liters of water all on its own. Woke up to frost-covered gutters and icicles hanging from your roof? That's not just a winter wonderland. It's a disaster waiting to happen. Frozen pipes can burst and heavy icicles are dangerous. The smart fix? Install Heat Tape Pro. It's the world's most advanced self-regulating heating cable, and it quietly does the job using just 20 watts per meter. It melts ice before it becomes a problem, keeping your gutters clear and your pipes safe. And with the handy LED plug, you can easily check that it's working at a glance. No more guessing. No more frozen surprises. Keep your roof and your peace of mind intact this winter with a solution that works automatically. Lightning Gurus keeps your home safe before danger even strikes. A powerful rod captures lightning instantly, while a special collector safely channels the energy down into the ground. This fast action prevents your roof from turning into a disaster zone. The system also includes surge protection modules, great news for your wiring and appliances. It's especially handy for homes with solar panels, protecting your investment during storms. And here's the cool part. It even works on thatched roofs. That means you get modern lightning protection without giving up traditional style. With Lightning Gurus, you're not just protecting your home, you're doing it smartly and safely. Mini Crane and Brivis Promina, simplified and engaging. Ever wonder how rooftop tech gets up there? Meet the Mini Crane, yours for just $293. It lifts up to 400 kilograms as high as 30 meters, rising at 15 meters per minute. From solar panels to heavy construction materials, this little powerhouse handles it all. Easy to set up, it saves you the hassle and cost of renting big equipment. Now imagine cooling your home in hot, dry weather without expensive AC units. The Brivis Promina makes it possible. This rooftop evaporative cooler uses damp filter pads to chill hot air, no Freon or compressors needed. The hotter the sun, the better it works. Cool air inside, blazing heat outside. If you live in a windy or hurricane-prone area, the OVR Storm Stopper by Kelly Roofing is a smart upgrade for your home. This clever insert fits right into your roof and helps air move through properly, which can reduce the pressure and damage caused by strong winds during storms. Worried about rain getting in? Don't be. The Storm Stopper has a built-in water-deflecting shield that keeps rain out, even when the wind is strong. Plus, it includes a fine mesh screen that blocks bugs, birds, and even small animals from sneaking inside your attic. It's smart, simple, and made to protect your home without getting in the way. Just look at how smoothly it handles the elements, rain, wind, and all. Let me know if you want it shorter or tailored to a specific tone. The Brivis Promina is a game changer for people living in hot, dry climates. It's an evaporative cooling system designed for rooftops with a sleek, low-profile base and a quiet fan that won't disturb the peace. Here's how it works. Hot outside air gets pulled through damp filter pads where it naturally cools down. No compressors, no Freon, just simple, energy-efficient cooling. The hotter it is outside, the more effective the system becomes, creating a noticeable temperature difference indoors. Plus, it doesn't just cool. It also helps keep indoor humidity at a comfortable level. Quiet Cool turns your hot, stuffy attic into a powerful tool for keeping your whole home cooler. This smart fan system pulls hot air out and brings cool air in, working like a thermostat for your house. It moves twice as much air as similar systems and uses far less energy, making it up to 10 times more efficient. With a built-in thermostat and humidity sensor, it automatically keeps your indoor climate just right. You can even control it from your smartphone. Set your preferences, relax, and enjoy a more comfortable home while cutting your air conditioning bill by up to 30%. QuietCool helps your house breathe better, keeps you cool, and saves you money, all without lifting a finger. The cane-built ridge reacher makes working on pitched roofs much easier and safer. Whether you're doing repairs, cleaning, or installing equipment, this tool grips securely at the roof ridge and adjusts automatically, even on steep slopes up to 50 degrees. No more slipping, struggling to keep balance, or searching for something to lean on. With the ridge reacher, you can walk with confidence and focus on the task at hand. It's built from tough 6.3mm steel, so you know it's made to last. The design is practical, strong, and saves you from a lot of hassle. Perfect for professionals or DIYers, this system is priced at $675, an investment in safety and peace of mind on any pitched roof. Skywash makes roof cleaning a breeze, literally. This smart system sprays hot water over your roof to wash away dirt, dust, and even moss. It uses a special pole that extends up to 11.5 meters, so in most cases, there's no need for a ladder. The built-in pressure regulator ensures a gentle wash that won't harm your roofing materials, while water temperatures up to 7 degrees Celsius help tackle tough grime. Whether you're dealing with years of buildup or just routine maintenance, Skywash makes it safer and easier to keep your roof looking fresh. It's efficient, effective, and user-friendly, which explains the price tag of $1,959. Keeping your roof clean has never been this convenient. Turn your roof into a source of free energy with the Solar wind turbine. It starts generating power even at low wind speeds, about 30 watts at just 3.5 meters per second. When the wind picks up to 13 meters per second, it can produce up to 430 watts. Imagine installing a few of these on your roof. You could seriously cut down your electricity bill. The best part? Solar is easy to set up. No complicated installation needed. Each unit costs only $399. It's a smart, eco-friendly investment that pays off over time. The Trex Rain Escape drainage system is a smart and simple way to keep your deck dry. It installs in just 3 easy steps. Lay it out, staple it down, and seal the seams. Once it's in place, it creates a dry space underneath your deck, protected by a 25-year warranty. That means you can safely add ceiling fans, lights, or other fixtures without worrying about water damage. No more puddles forming in strange spots, and your deck's framing stays protected from long rainy seasons. Whether you're working or just relaxing, Rain Escape helps you enjoy your outdoor space without interruption. It's not just drainage, it's peace of mind and a smart investment in your home's future. Have you ever wanted to try vertical farming? With Bayan GreenTech's rooftop system, now you can, right on your own home. It's perfect for growing herbs, vegetables, or even flowers. Thanks to its smart modular design, it fits almost anywhere. You only need 0.1 square meters to grow up to 28 pots. Roofs used to be empty, unused spaces. But with this system, your roof transforms into a green, productive oasis, making the most of every inch.